What's up, online shoppers? If you are a lover of froth drinks, you can definitely bring that home to your kitchen. I have this awesome little frother here from Bonsenkitchen. It's a handheld frother. It feels pretty comfortable in the hand. There's actually a little notch right here that I can put my finger into. Depress this little button and it gets some pretty powerful frothing action going. All you have to do is pop in 2 AA batteries here at the back. There's a nice little hatch, makes it pretty easy to put your batteries in, and then you are literally ready to froth it up. The shaft and the whisk are stainless steel, which makes them super easy to keep clean. It just feels really nice and solid in my hands. Now, before I go getting crazy, I do want to show you what it looks like when you froth just plain old cream. So I have a little container here. I'm just going to put it in. And you can see how nicely it gets it going here. I've got cream and is definitely expanding the volume of this, making it really nice and frothy, and I can pour this on top of just about any beverages. Pretty awesome. It does that pretty easy, but it does other stuff too. So I'm just gonna stick it here for a minute. I like to put protein powder in my coffee. Yeah, I know, it's kind of crazy. Protein coffee. My favorite one is this chocolate one from Happy Viking. All you have to do is add in a scoop of chocolate to your coffee, just like this, that I have right here. And this is powerful. It will absolutely blend that into the coffee. Don't go too quick because it might come splashing up at you, but what I love about it is I can really get a good mix in the coffee. Length of the shaft is pretty much the depth of the coffee mugs I drink from. And I love how well it blends the protein powder in, just like that. You can see right here, everything is nicely blended, no chunks. Now this has one button. 20 seconds, you've got great froth to put into your beverages. But the instructions say only fill your container about 1/3 to avoid froth going everywhere. But a heads up when you're frothing, don't forget to release the button before you pull it out. Otherwise, you will be wearing your froth. Now, like I said before, the cool thing is this doesn't just work for milk. You can use it on matchas. You can use it on protein powders. You can use it to blend your collagen into your coffee. And as far as cleanup goes, literally just run the whisk under water, tap it off, and you're good to go. Design-wise, it's comfortable in my hands and it's super easy. Honestly, it comes with me in my travel suitcase when I go somewhere because I like to have my drinks froth. So let's get this going one more time, and I'm gonna add it to my protein coffee, get it all frothy and nice. There we go, and look at that froth. It's honestly my favorite little kitchen accessory. I love it. And what you get at the end is really nice, frothy beverages that you can enjoy, whether it's hot or cold. So if you are looking for a handy, tiny, but mighty little frother, this one here from Bonsenkitchen is absolutely awesome. And it is definitely a family favorite in my house.